I what I say before. I really like to take care of my patients and give them the best treatment, and the best care. And I really like my managers and the training they give me and the support. I really love them.
My clients, you get set up with some really good people.
So I have been a caregiver since I was about 12. I grew up in a family of caregivers. My grandmother and my great grandma always took care of everyone in the family. So naturally, I fell into those same footsteps. And being a caregiver, I truly love that I can be my authentic self. I can be compassionate. I can be honest. I can give my best advice to a client. And it feels nice when they give me their feedback based off of experience, and then we can generate their care around that. Being a caregiver is just awesome. If I could do one thing for the rest of my life, I would be a caregiver.
Knowing that my clients are getting what they need without a hassle. They don't have to want for anything or wonder where this is going to come from or how am I going to get to the bathroom today or this morning. We provide that kind of reassurance for them that everything is going to flow.